Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Google Meet application into your Windows in the easiest way possible and also for free. So Google Meet is very useful for online classes and online meetings. So on how we can install that into our Windows, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Google Meet, hit enter. Now you'll find the first option from meet.google.com. Click on that. So obviously we can log in into Google Meet or attend meetings or open Google Meet here in the browser, but that is in a browser. Now, what if we want to install this as a separate application from the browser? So we can do that. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down, you'll find this option, Cast, Save, and Share, and you'll find this option, Install Google Meet. Click on that. Click on Install and then close the Chrome browser. And now the Google Meet application has been installed into our Windows. So you just need to sign in with your account from here and then click on New Meeting. If you want to create a meeting or start an instant meeting, schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. You can also attend a meeting by entering a code or link from here. So you just need to simply click on this button and enter the code or link and click on the join button to join your online calls or your online meetings, online classes. So that's it. That's how you can easily install the Google Meet into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.